TESDA Chief Joel Villanueva remains optimistic on his bid for an elective post in 2016. This despite his being included in the third batch of cases related to the pork barrel scam. Christine Santos reports.
TESDA Director General Secretary Joel Villanueva did not see the pork barrel scam case filed against him as a hindrance in his candidacy for the 2016 elections. According to Villanueva, the public knew he did not misuse the public funds. He is also confident that the case will not stand in court.
Hindi ko po nakikita ito na makakaapekto sa decision making, no. Hindi mo matanggal yung agam-agam na questionin yung timing. Alam mo, ilang buwan na lang filing na, ilang buwan na lang election na.
Noted having a clean slate, he said he is not involved in any anomalies. Aside from Villanueva, Senator Gringo Honasan III, Cagayan de Oro Representative Rufus Rodriguez, Manila Representative Amado Bagaching, and La Union Representative Vic Ortega were also charged in the third batch of PDAF scam cases.
Time and time again, yung track record po natin, kailanman hindi po tayo natakot sa katotohanan. Kahit wala po akong katabi ngayon na abogado at hindi rin po ako abogado, kaya ko pong idepensa ang aking malinis na pangalan na nagsisilbing premium ko for so many years.
Earlier, PCOO Secretary Sonny Coloma said Villanueva will remain in his post as he is committed to continue Pinoy's good governance platform. Currently, Villanueva said the agency is focused on granting scholarship vouchers to youths who wanted to enroll in TechVoc courses. TESDA targets to increase the number of employed Filipinos after they became a TESDA man.
So lahat po ng scholarship program nilamp po natin bilang parte ng training trabaho programs. That's 3.2 billion the entire year. Mas lalong matututukan at mabibigyan natin ng pansin itong mga programa na nagbibigay ayuda sa mga marginalized sector of our society.